Hi, my name is Jayme and I'm so excited to be an education ambassador for UniWigs. I have had a fairly short hair loss journey. I started losing my hair about 4.5 years ago, and it started as frontal loss. So I was diagnosed with frontal fibrosing alopecia. At that point, I hadn't seen a whole lot about it, and I had had trouble finding many accounts online or information of other women with similar stories to mine. So that is why I started my Instagram page originally. And when UniWigs reached out to me to offer to send me a new product that they were launching, which was patches that would go along just the frontal hairline, I was so excited. And that was the first product that I tried from UniWigs. So it was frontal hairline pieces, and at the time that was the only loss that I had on my scalp. So I wasn't really ready for like a full wig, or even a hair topper didn't seem like it would suit my needs. So at that point I tried these hairline pieces and I really enjoyed the product. It made me feel like there was hope for me to regain that chance to just look like my old self again by having just like that little bit of coverage that I was missing and was really making me lose all of my confidence. So it was really exciting to find out that there was even a product like that out there. Unfortunately, my hair loss has progressed since then. I now have a second form of scarring alopecia, which causes spots all over my scalp, including my part line, which you can't see today because I am wearing a hair topper. But once that started, my hair, I had lost a pretty drastic amount of hair, and my hair was getting thinner because of all the missing patches throughout. And at that point, I decided I was ready to try a hair topper. And the first hair topper I tried was the Upgrade Courtney from UniWigs. And it was really cool to see myself with that hair again and to have it look like my old self. I've just really enjoyed trying all of the different products from UniWigs. I feel like they have such a great range to suit all the many needs. I know that hair loss is so different for everybody, and you need to find a piece that is, suits your personal needs. Not everyone's gonna need the same thing. So yeah, I love whenever I am sharing a product and I hear that someone else, has never heard of that product and are excited to try it, or have tried something that they saw me use and have had success with it. Just makes me feel good knowing that I can help other people get that feeling back that I was missing. Hair loss just causes so much mental, uneasiness, and it's really a hard thing to go through. And, as much as someone might be able to work through it mentally and really try to get through those feelings and just try to accept it, I think having the opportunity to at least sort of look like your old self just really takes the weight off of that really heavy feeling you get whenever you are going through hair loss. So it has been a joy to be able to share products, and I'm excited to continue to do so in hopes that I can help other women find, a specific piece that might be just what they were looking for, that will cover their loss and make them feel confident again. And I am looking forward to sharing the bit that I know I'm still learning. Like I said, I've only been wearing hair for a short time compared to a lot of women, but I am excited to go on this journey with you all, and I look forward to sharing the products that I'm enjoying or that I think would be great for someone else to try, even if it doesn't necessarily suit my needs. I am excited to be educating people on all of the options that are out there and helping women feel good again, and even just excited to share UniWigs products in particular because I have so much respect for the company and feel like they truly are looking out for women with hair loss, and they see us and they want to help us feel good, and they're offering these pieces that are such high quality for such a great price. And I know I sound saleswoman-y, and I'm just meaning it genuinely, because I know personally I don't have thousands of dollars to be spending on hair. I'm a mom, I have kids that I'm putting through sports and braces and all those sort of things. So I am always looking for a more affordable option, and I love that with UniWigs you don't have to sacrifice the quality or the look in order to get some affordability, as you can see with this product here, which is becoming one of my new favorites. But I look forward to this new journey as an education ambassador with UniWigs, and I will see you all in my upcoming videos.